everybody. It is my favorite. I don't know about you, Christy, but this is my favorite weekend of the year. This is anniversary weekend. Yep. No, this is not your favorite weekend of the year. There's a gladiator.
No, it is.
It's probably his favorite weekend of the year.
Well, it's the weekend the kids are always gone at the beach, and
that is correct. So the kids are at their beach trip, Whidbey Island, with my grandma at Auntie Yoshi's.
With your grandma or their grandma?
With their grandma.
Your mom.
With my mother. So we are on our way. We're going to Leavenworth. Part of this weekend is surprise element, part is not. So we planned the destination together as Leavenworth. Where are we going to be staying?
At the Hansel and Gretel treehouse.
Pretty exciting. We wanted to stay in a treehouse for a long time. So we're going to check that out. We'll kick around Leavenworth, do some exploring. I did this backwards. So our main activity is weather dependent. We'll show you a shot of the outside in a minute here. But don't know if that's going to pan out or not. So we planned a backup activity for today. So we're going to go check in at lunchtime. We left really early, got 7 o'clock start time. So we'll be there lunchtime, we'll get all checked in, and then we'll go kind of bum around town, do our activity, and then we're gonna have there's a grill and a little kitchen and everything, so we'll barbecue. We brought some food. We're trying the new Dometic out. So got a lot of stuff going on. It should be exciting. Stay tuned. All right, so it's like noon straight up. We made it up to Leavenworth. We just went into the Safeway. We got reloaded on provisions. One of the things that's pretty cool, so I've got the Dometic synced to my app on my phone, so you can see it's working. We're actually not powered up because the car is off, but it's 36 degrees in the cooler. Let's see what we got in there. So we picked up some stuff for, we got some breakfast tomorrow, spinach and bacon breakfast wrap, salami that we brought from home for sandwiches, a little sockeye filet, got some energy drinks, some yogurt, baby bok choy for dinner tonight. So pretty cool to not have to mess with ice. What do you think?
Yeah, awesome.
All right. So we spent the last couple hours walking around Leavenworth, doing some touristy shopping. So what are you laughing at? Doing some touristy shopping stuff. Got some souvenirs, got some books for reading at the cabin. We're gonna have a drink now and then get changed and head off to our afternoon activity.
Good.
It's pretty hot and the smoke's starting to roll in, so we'll see.
I'd appreciate you turning the camera off before I got changed, though.
All right, we're just gonna shoot it like this and rotate it in post. So it's about 20 to 4. We're all checked in for our little afternoon adventure excursion. We got a little bit of time to kill before they get started, so we're gonna walk around the grounds and check things out. So out in front of the lodge, there's this little pond here, and there's a sign on the other side that says no fishing, which I thought was kind of strange. But on the doorstep to the lodge is a little like gumball vending machine full of fish pellets. So watch what happens here.
Zip it. Alrighty, all the way down to the very, very bottom. Then make sure you sit down and use that by the time you're done.
Okay.
Zip it. Alright, lock loaded. Ready to go there, Green Hornet.
All right.
I can't tell if you two are enjoying it because you have the glasses on. Like there's just no emotion. Alright, both hands on there. Sit on down. Close your eyes. Good to go, Bride. There you got it. 3, 2, 1. High five to 3. Go.
so we just finished up our, well, for me it wasn't a surprise, but our surprise zip line adventure. Last minute planning, we booked this morning at like 6:50 in the a.m. What did you think?
That was fun. A little scary, not gonna lie. Kind of nervous about the height thing, but it was fun.
All right, so it is about 2:30, 2:40 on Saturday. It's Saturday afternoon, right?
Yep.
I'm losing track of time. That's good. We're having a good time. We don't need to worry about what day it is. So anyhow, we just finished up. We had lunch. We were at the Tsillan Cellars Winery, which is on Lake Chelan. It's actually spelled Tsillan, but pronounced Chelan. They have a sister property that's over on the west side of the mountains for you Seattle West Siders. Wine was pretty good. We're not big wine drinkers, but it was good. The food was awesome, and the little vineyard here is just fantastic. It's you can see behind us. It's right on the water. If it wasn't smoky like today, it'd just be beautiful. So it's still really pretty. So we're gonna walk around, stretch our legs a little bit before we get on the road for the final push for the big anniversary surprise.
These tomatoes. So we are on our way home. It's about 12, a little before 1 o'clock. We're just heading down the highway coming into Wenatchee, and then from Wenatchee it's kind of the long shot home. So I thought this would be a good opportunity for us to do our little 3-question game that we always do. Let's mix it up a little bit. Rapid fire questions. We'll mix it up a little bit. So here's one for Christy, and then we'll take turns, okay? Okay.
All right. Leavenworth, Chelan, or Stehekin?
Stehegan was cool. So Stehegan.
Okay.
They were all cool, but
Well, that's the whole premise of the game. It's just your gut instinct, first thought, no overthinking it. So Stehegan was the answer, huh?
yes.
All right, cool.
Treehouse or train car?
I think I like the train car better.
I like where the treehouse was because you could go do more things.
Correct.
But the train car had kind of like a cool element to it with all the history and everything in it. So yeah.
It did, yeah. The ambiance and the way they had it all fixed up and everything, and yeah, if they could combine those, Airbnb, if you're listening, if you could combine those and have something like our train car experience in a more central location where there were more activities, that would be the ultimate.
But a little tucked away like the treehouse because that was pretty relaxing with the creek running right behind and.
It was.
Okay.
All right, ready? Wine tasting, zip line, helicopter ride.
Helicopter ride.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, I
The
can't.
zip lining would have been probably more up there if it was just the two of us or just us and the kids or us and friends. It was kind of weird being with other people that you didn't really know.
The strangers in the group ruined it for you?
No, they didn't ruin it for me. It was just, how you don't feel quite in your element around new people.
I thought that group, I understand exactly what you're saying. I thought that group was okay. I mean, they didn't have, usually in a group setting like that, you always get the one guy that's like, you get the Gaston.
Right.
And we didn't have a Gaston in our group. Well, unless it was you or me. Was it one of us?
I don't think so.
All right. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We had a really good time this weekend. We packed in a lot of activities in a short, condensed about a 4-day, 4-day span, right?
Yeah.
So we had some surprise elements, some stuff that we had pre-planned. We had even a backup element that was not planned previously that we rolled in at the last minute. And I think all things considered, that's about as good of a trip as we could ask for, huh?
Yeah.
What is this guy doing? Oh, he's going to go 45 and a 45. All right. So we're going to head for home now. I'm going to turn up the tunes in a minute here and maybe give you guys a little Eastern Washington farm country shot going through the farm country here.